Valuation and negotiation of technology. Problems the negotiation biotechnology produce. Dates 20 November 2021. Student name Germán Ramírez. Problema relates to the protection of intellectual property. The relation between biotechnology and industrial properties is become extreme and starker. Did into account that biotechnology has fixed resources, is necessary the strength managed capacities. Problem relate of the valve technology. The problem of the valve technology is described in the activities that must take into account in the distribution of novel products with patents are e-commerce, nice and branding. Problem-related negotiation is certain the negotiation process is of whole and humankind in the self-wish. His with the negotiation of biotechnology product is analyzed by the strength of the patent and by its novel technology. Joint Ventures. Definición. El contrato se firma como un resultado de un acuerdo entre dos o más sociedades para realizar un negocio distinto al que llevan por separado, aunque las actividades sean diferentes, son complementarias. Ventajas. Mayor competitividad. Si cada empresa es competitiva en su ámbito, gracias a este acuerdo se puede crear un ente mucho más competitivo. Recommendation. Carry out strategic alliance in which it is not mandatory to make capital contribution since wise the had uttered at the resource of each company which will divide available to the contracting parties. Manage capital through investment home venture in which companies have effectively seeking the benefit of the contracting companies. Establish agreement with companies that allow their work done have already made the sources as protect the intellectual property or can transmit the our small companies of the day also grow and protect the intellectual property. Thanks.